Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Back in my body, so I'm able afterwards, after workshop with Adam, so the effects and the results always, ripples on. I find myself being able to just make more courageous choices in my life where it really matters.
I've been dancing a lot my whole life, but this guy, Adam, he just pushes the right buttons. It's brilliant. Yeah, basically I just had an experience where I feel like I was reborn in a way.
It just brings something that's even hard for me to describe, but it allows me to be present with myself in completely other way, so I can connect and refine and integrate parts of myself embodied.
It's awesome, and it's a little frightening also, which is vulnerable, but that feels so meaningful to be
experiencing that people love me when I'm true to myself, right? Yeah.
This really incredible connection to people, and like this calmness that I haven't felt in a while. I feel alive. Yeah.
I find my soul being more liberated each time I'm dancing with Adam.
It's been incredible, and I just want to do it again.
It's been amazing. It's been life-changing, transforming.
A side of yourself or a skill that you've been longing for. Didn't even know, oh my God, I missed that for so many years. And if you really want to not just be mindful, but, bodyful, aliveful, that is why you should go. Go for my sake, actually. Okay.
I had a lot of traumas, life-threatening traumas, and I think dancing has really changed my life. I've been going to therapy a long time, but being together with people and confronting the thing that happens in your life makes it different, very different. And Adam has a presence. He's very gifted in being present, and he's an extremely good facilitator. And the way he can bring people together. So it has, I would say, really been a transforming and very big life experience, and I'm very happy I went.
Vi gjorde det! Vi to.
Cheers.